idea about drawing. What is drawing? First of all, I must have to know what is drawing. So what is drawing? I have already told you in the previous lecture that it is the art or process or technique which represents an object or scene or idea by the use of lines. Have you got my point? To represent an idea, what you want to convey by your drawing, or a scene, maybe natural, maybe created by you, maybe created by your mind, or maybe some object, maybe book or almirah or a boat, something like that, on a surface here, maybe canvas, maybe paper, maybe wood, etc. So drawing is a process, art, or technique by the use of lines to represent a specific object, scene, or idea on a surface. So that if I use a line, so this may be our abstract drawing. Have you got my point? I have used lines, so it is a drawing. This may be some idea about. So drawing is something, some process or art which is represented by the use of lines. Now another term is, what is technique? What is technique? So you all know technique is a method, is or not? Technique is a method or procedure for achieving some aim or task. Is or not? Technique means procedure to achieve some task, by which you achieve some task. So every artist must have to be skilled in technique. Every artist must have high degree of high degree of skill or command on fundamental. Otherwise, he cannot convey his message. He cannot draw or paint beautiful and meaningful art. So you have to be skillful in technique. That's why I have said that it is the work of patience, practice, and imagination. So if you have patience, if you can do work every day, and if you can think or observe whatever around you in the leisure time, then you must be a great artist in future. Now, in every art, line is very, very important. So what is line? Line is a thin, as you know, thin, continuous mark. You can make it with a pencil or pen or brush. Have you got my point? But the main point is it must be distinguished from shading or color. Have you got my point? You will know about what is shading or you already know what is color. So I am giving you some view that you can understand it easily. Let us I draw some drawing like that. So this is shading. I will give you more uh, idea about shading uh, in next lecture. But here is the line. It's also shading. So the line must be distinguished from the shading and color. So line is a thin continuous mark which can be made by pencil or pen or brush, but can be distinguished by from shading or color. Now the next term comes is outline. in art. Outline. What is outline? Outline is a line describing outer boundary of a figure or an object outer boundary means if I want to draw a book, so the outer boundary of book may be this. This is the outline. Have you got my point? This is the outline. So in every art, you must have to draw first the outlines of that object or scene. Then you have to add more detail in it to get originality. Have you got my point? So first you have to master on how to draw outline of a given figure. And there is an outline of your scale. This is a scale by which you measure length. So another term in art is profile. What do you mean by profile? Profile is an outline. But these outlines seen or represented from the side. Means one side or whatever the viewing side you have to draw an outline. For example, in my room, there is an almirah in front of me, and I see that only this is appear to me and nothing else. So this may be the profile. Have you got my point? Another, I can give you example that if somebody watching from this side, then he must or she must watch this. Have you got my point? But somebody viewing from top, then this book may appear as this. Have you got my point? So this is an outline seen or viewed or represented from the side. So now the next term I am going to discuss is contour. What is contour? It is also an outline of 2D figure or shape or bounding edges of 3D form. Means it is the outline of 2D for 2D shape or bounding edges, means the 3D form by which line it is bounded. So you have to draw that line only. That will be called contour. Means if I draw a 3D figure, these lines are counted. Have you got my point? So outline of 2D or bounding edges of 3D is known as contour. Now the next term is freehand drawing. What do we mean by freehand drawing? As the name suggests, drawing by freehand, not using tools. So the art or process or technique of drawing by hand without using mechanical. I am giving you some examples what is meant by freehand drawing. Let us draw a drawing that there is a pillar and the sitting bench here. I have drawn by without using any kind of mechanical tools. But when I draw the same figure by using some scale, what you have seen the difference between these two drawings. It is called freehand. Have a good one. So you have clearly watched the difference between freehand drawing and the drawing by using some mechanical tools. Now, in the next lecture, I will give more detail about the terms of art. Till now, stay tuned with Kala Sambar. Thank you for watching.